Hi guys, in this video we are going to solve that if the tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, then where 2a is an acute angle and acute angle is guys less than 90 degrees are called acute angle, and find the value of this angle. So we have to find the angle by using some of the trigonometric values. So we need to solve it by using complementary angles formulas. A minus 18. Now we can say that tan theta can be written in the form of cot 90 minus theta, right guys? Cot 90 minus theta. I take this as angle, guys. This thing is taken as angle, so tan theta is taken as cot 90 minus theta, and this is as similar. We need to write it. This cot and this cot gets cancelled. Now we get 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18, and by substituting we can say that 3a is equal to 108, and a is equal to 108 by 3, and 3 ones are, this is 0 guys, so 108, so 3 threes are 9, we get 1 here, so 3 nines are 18. So we have got the answer as a angle as 39 degrees. So we got the answer, that is the value of a is 39 degrees. So this is all for guys for this question. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please comment below. Thank you.